everyone! Are you ready for a fun alphabet party? Let's sing and dance! Yay! A is for apple, crunch, crunch. B is for bowl, boing, boing. C is for cat, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof. Yeah, we're doing great! The ABC is so much fun. Sing it loud with everyone. Jump up high and touch the sky. Learning letters U and I. E is for egg, crack, crack. F is for fish, splosh, splosh. G is for gift, wow, a surprise. H is for hat, put it on your head. So much fun! I is for ice, it's cold. J is for Jeep, beep, 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 beep. K is for key, turn it round. L is for lamp, click light on. So much fun! The ABC is so much fun. Sing it loud with everyone. Jump up high and touch the sky. Learning letters U and I. You are amazing! Now let's move our bodies. Let's wiggle like a monkey and keep going. Here we go! M is for monkey, ooh ah ah. N is for nose, beep your nose. O is for orange, yum yum yum. P is for pen, scribble scrabble. Q is for quack 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 quack. R is for rocket, zoom to the stars. S is for sun, it's so bright. T is for toy, let's play together. The ABC is so much fun. Sing it loud with everyone. Jump up high and touch the sky. Learning letters U, I, O. Unicorn. V is for volcano. Pop. W is for window. Wave hello. X is for box. What's inside? Y is for yak, 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 yak. Z